Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Would like you to please subscribe on our channel, and please, if there's a tutorial you want us to do for you, please request it. In case there's something which is giving you trouble, maybe we know how to fix it. Leave a comment in the comment box below. If we know how to fix it, we're gonna fix it for you. We will send you a link, and we notify you that we did make your tutorial you wanted, and that's what we're saying. So thanks guys for being with us today. You wonder why you see the message which said we haven't finished disabling your account yet. If you want to reactivate it, try again in a few hours. Why do we get this message? Did you log into your Instagram before, or you haven't logged in, but then when you try to log in, you receive this message? If you haven't logged in maybe for a day or 2 or 3 days or a week or a month, and you find this message, just know that your account might have been compromised. So, or it was compromised, and maybe somebody deactivated it. So this happens when you have just deactivated your account, and to reactivate it, you can reactivate it, but it simply tells you to take few hours or few minutes, but it talks about few hours here. Let's try to log in. It doesn't give us any access to that. Why it's showing me this? It's like I did deactivate my Instagram in a few minutes ago, so that's why we see this Instagram message. So if you're not the one who did it, just make sure that once you spend maybe an hour or two, try to log in. Once you log in, immediately change your password, because this means your account was disabled temporarily, but Facebook is busy, maybe taking out data, maybe do some things we don't know. But if you don't do that, because this guy who did this to you, he managed to get access to that, so he did deactivate it. So if you do deactivate it, you can't deactivate it. Once you log in again, change your password, and Facebook say, Instagram say you cannot deactivate this account in after a week, and you deactivate another one. So this one is giving me a problem. I can try to log in using a different one. Let me get into a different account. I'm gonna show you how to. I'm gonna get into that. So this one is giving me account, so it's gonna to show you that this one was disabled. I did disable this, that's why I can see that. Gonna go to a new one. I'm trying to do something here. Okay. You can see now, I logged into a new Instagram account. So what happens here, you can see now this one is active. You can see all the people I'm following here and the people I can follow here if I want to. So I want to do that, but the second account is temporarily disabled. So wait for hours, 3 or 4 hours or 2 hours. Every hour check. Once you log in, then you go to change your password. It's easier to change that. Let me go to settings. You can click on, once you log in, you have to click on what they call Instagram activity. So you're gonna see when did you log in, so it can show you the place who logged in and where the person is logging in. You get me? So that is also you can change your password here. You change your password immediately when you log in. So this is gonna help you to secure your account, to know, because somebody who did it to you, he might go again and try to log in again to your Instagram, which is pretty not good for you, because if he did that, so it simply means one day it's gonna change your, or it's gonna post wrong pictures on your Instagram, or he might even delete it one day or change the information into there, then he steals your Instagram account. So this is where you change your password. After changing your password, you can also change a lot of things, email address, whatever, all that information. And also you have to make sure you see when did you last log in, or when did that person last log in. So to deactivate, I did deactivate here. Where did I go? Like here, when you say click here. So this is the way I did deactivate this one. So when I clicked here, so it showed me, so I did temporarily, it's gonna show you this message if you did deactivate that. So if I want myself to deactivate that still, I'll just click tip. Once I click there, it won't give me a chance to log in here. Once I click, it's gonna show me that no, my account is temporarily, they are busy doing what, doing those settings. So it simply means I'm gonna be trying in each and every hour. Once in that hour or 2 hours or 3 hours, because they talk about hours, you get a chance to log in, then it's gonna be good for you. Look, it logs me in this one because I logged into this one. You get me? So that's the reason why it's logging me in now, but it was not logging me in on the old account. Simply means you cannot do anything before you wait for those hours. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have anything like also what we talk about, anything like a tutorial you want to know here, please let me know and let us know in the comment box below. But that message you saw, you cannot change it until when you wait for hours. After hours, if things go well and you manage to log in, go to where I showed you and change your password, and also make sure your account was not signed into by wrong people. Yeah, please guys, don't forget to subscribe. This is gonna be the end of our tutorial. I guess we're gonna see you in the next video, and we might make more videos about Instagram. Also, if you have something you want to know before we make a video, please let us know. but that's the issue we showed you, and the fix up is only to wait for Instagram to give you access to the account again. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.